80 animals.
Parrot.
Hi again. Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you today? I'm very good. Are you enjoying this class? That's great. Today we'll learn about a kind of bird, the parrot. This is a parrot. Some people have it as a pet. Let's begin this class by learning some words.
Smart. If a person studies hard and understands something well, we say the person is smart. In the picture, the girl has an idea or knows the answer. She is smart. Mimic. If you mimic someone's action, you try to make the same action. In the picture, the little boy mimics the adult. Some kids like mimicking animals, like a monkey or elephant. Cage. This is a cage. It is made of metal bars. We keep a bird in the cage. Do you like birds? If you have a bird, would you have it in a cage?
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Smart. Mimic. Cage.
It's time to read a story. After you read, you'll take a quiz.
Some people have a bird as a pet. What is the most popular kind of bird to have as a pet? A parrot is the most popular. It has beautiful colors. And it is smart. It can mimic what people say. Many people keep parrots in a cage. Do you think it's happy in a cage? Parrots have wings and fly in the air. But parrots can't fly in a cage. So I don't think they're happy in a cage. What is a parrot? Bird. Toy. Where do most people keep parrots? In a cage. Outdoors. What is true about the parrot? It can mimic what people say. It is not smart.
How was the class today? Was it easy or hard? That's all for now. I will see you next time. Goodbye.